Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Amy if you're new here, and today I'm going to be doing a little show and tell of all the farmhouse decor that I picked up from Hobby Lobby and Target. If you missed that haul, you can check out the video. I'll put the link down below. And I would love if you would subscribe to my channel. There's a little button right below that says subscribe. If you'll click there, then you will be subscribed and be able to follow along with all of our videos. So without further ado, I'm gonna make this a very quick video and tour. Here we go. All right, so this is going into our dining room, and this is from the front of our house. We've got our farmhouse table and chairs, and the chairs actually came from Amazon, and then I got the table online through Camp Creek Furnishings, and they have a Facebook page. They're located in Dublin, Georgia. And then I took my vase that I got from Hobby Lobby and my little plant that I showed you guys in my last video, my haul. I just stuck them in the middle, and then the table runner is also from Hobby Lobby. Alright, now we're moving over to the Hutch and all the decor over here. The Hutch I actually got from a little antique shop in Pooler, Georgia. It's called Finders Keepers, and they have tons of really cute stuff. And I actually made the sign that's on the wall. I plan on doing a DIY video for that. And then coming over here, you can see I got the Hearth and Hand little salt and pepper shakers. The cake stand was from Hobby Lobby that one was from Target Dollar Spot that I showed you guys. It was only $3. And then I got the little clock from Hobby Lobby, and then that tray was actually from Hobby Lobby at Thanksgiving when it was on sale. Alright, now moving over to the tiered tray that I did. I got the tiered tray from Hobby Lobby around Thanksgiving as well, and it was also on sale. This is the candle that I showed you I got from Target, a little plant from Hobby Lobby, and then this is just a little snowman mug I got from a gift a few years ago when I was teaching, and then the little plant from the Dollar Spot section, the little cactus plant from Target. And then I just stuck some deer sheds in there. I thought they were really cute. Then I have my little coffee mug that says, "Coffee is my love language." Got that one from Hobby Lobby as well. And then I have the two little hot cocoa mugs. Those are actually from the Dollar Tree. I thought that they were super cute and farmhousey, so I just stuck those in there. And then the plant, I got that plant from Hobby Lobby, the little plant in there. That was a while back. And then I stuck a little picture of my kids in the back, and this was taken a few months ago. They were eating Oreos and being goofballs, and so I just stuck that back there to give it a little bit of a family touch. So that was my tiered tray, and of course I changed that up seasonally. And then we're gonna move on, and over here, these are my DIY Rae Dunn Inspired Mugs and bowls that I did, and I actually showed you guys in a video. My last video was a DIY and how I made these, so you should definitely go check that out. They're just made with permanent marker and stencil, and they're just, I plan on making some more. I want to do some like trays and things like that. They're super cute and easy. Alright, and then I did want to show you this cute little pillow that I just stuck in here. I think I found this on Amazon like when we first moved into our house. I thought it was so cute, and it was not very expensive. So you should definitely look on Amazon for fun little pillows that you can throw around. Alright, so now I'm going to show you what we did with the decor in our entryway. We're walking out of the dining room. This is just the entryway table right here, and I actually repainted that table a few years ago with chalk paint. And then on the bottom of there, I just have our wedding album. It's actually for the coffee table, but my kids would go through it like crazy. The little tin can I got from Hobby Lobby. I feel like this should be a Hobby Lobby video. got the bless sign. You saw that in my haul, and the candle holder, and the little moss ball. And then you see what I did with the cotton balls and the mug and the little vase that I got. And then I actually got the wreath a month ago or so from Hobby Lobby. And then the sign my husband got for me a few years ago for our wedding anniversary on Etsy, and it's just the wedding vows. And then I do plan on putting some canvases of the kids right above at the top to pull it all together. Alrighty. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, check out some of our other videos, and if you look in the description below the video, I've included some links to some of the shops that I mentioned in this video. We'll see you next time. Bye.